things in my house that are in desperate need of attention. Number 1, me.
Oh! Look at that! Y'all are doing the snoozy time! His paws, adorable. His ears, adorable. His tail, adorable. His face, adorable. His intelligence, okay.
Do you know what happened to my heart?
What happened to your heart?
Well, when the first time I told you, when I saw you, my heart fell in love with you.
Where's it? Where's it? Adam! Adam! Adam!
Making my way back home, been a long day, time to see my fluffy dog.
Oh my god, is that your friend? Oh my god. Oh my god.
Good boy, good boy. Good boy.
Go ahead, you already ate it now. Oh, you need me to break it up for you? Seriously?
Dad, I'm a very patient boy, but this is too much. This is way too much.
I'm not gonna go that
Help!
far.
Somebody help! Coast Guard! Coast Guard, help! Where the show is going?
There's a story. Get over here and listen. Are you listening? Today we're going to go to the beach. We're going to get a little bit of chicken. Hey, hold on. Hold on. Hold on.
It's raining. I know I drove you all the way out here. But unfortunately we can't do anything. I'm sorry.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
Yesterday I went for a walk to Grandma's house. When I got to Grandma's house, I found your toy. And then when I left Grandma's house, I went to the dog park.
No, stop. And you pick him up on me and it.
Good boy, Rip. Oh, the baby. Oh my god. Carlos. What? Oh my goodness. Hello. Hi, you're so cute.
Look at my happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that.
Found a stick on the ground, and now I'm gonna use it. All this power that I found, gonna totally abuse it. And I hit so much stuff, do not get into my way, cause I found a stick, and I'm using it today. I got a stick.
Oh, shit.
Only the finest of dining here. 2 boys eating dirt from the ground. 1 girl eating dirt from the green onions. And 1 old woman eating rocks. Okay, Natalie, say it with me. We don't need it. We don't need it.
I want to get it.
2, 1.
Yay, Louie! Stop.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
Oh. Go, doggy, go! Oh. Hi, baby! Hi, you ready to go home? Oh, hi, Bubba.
Where's that squirrel?
Oh, baby, it's okay. Come on. You can do it. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Come here. You can do it. Come on. Come here, baby. Yes. Come on. Go, go, go. You're so close. Come on. No whining. You can do it. I believe in you. Come on. I'm even holding it up for you. You didn't even have to nuzzle it open. Good boy. Good boy. Yay. Yay.
Oh my God, Pack, are you guys seeing this? Oh, it's just like a perfect day. Look at just perfect little angels. Oh my God, I love these guys. You're so good. You are so good, puppies. You're so good, puppies. I love you. Yes. Look at these faces. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me, Henry? You're so good, buddy. Yeah, you're good dogs. Where are my Braley girls? Wow, look at you. What are you doing? What are you doing, buddy? Where's my Fluffy boy? You're so good, puppies. Yeah, you're good babies. Look at the little sleeping marshmallow. Are you sleeping? Are you sleeping, girls? Oh, we keeping you up? Huh? Good dogs.
Namaste. Namaste.